Israel tells 1.1 million Palestinians in ex-North Gaza to get out now. As ground offensive looms, Israel's military has urged all civilians, about 1.1 million people, in Gaza City to leave their homes. The UN earlier reported the message from the Israeli Defense Forces, but we've now heard directly from Israel's military. This evacuation is for your own safety, the IDF said, in a strong hint that it's set to begin its expected ground assault. More than 1 million civilians are being told to move southwards below Wadi Gaza, a wetland ray, within 24 hours. They will only be able to return to Gaza City when the IDF says it is safe to do so. The IDF calls for the evacuation of all civilians of Gaza City from their homes southwards for their own safety and protection and move to the area south of the Wadi Gaza, as shown on the map. The Hamas terrorist organization waged a war against the state of Israel, and Gaza City is an area where military operations take place. This evacuation is for your own safety. You will be able to return to Gaza City only when another announcement permitting it is made. Do not approach the area of the security fence with the state of Israel. Hamas terrorists are hiding in Gaza City inside tunnels underneath houses and inside buildings populated with innocent Gazan civilians. Civilians of Gaza City, evacuate south for your own safety and the safety of your families, and distance yourself from Hamas terrorists who are using you as human shields. In the following days, the IDF will continue to operate significantly in Gaza City and make extensive efforts to avoid harming civilians. This map shows Wadi Gaza cutting from the coast to the border with Israel.